Behind me is my 1953 Ford F100. It is my entry into the 2020 International Quarantine Car Show. This was a 3-year build from 2016 to 2019. All the metal work, paint work, body work, engine swap, transmission swap, new interior, new bed flooring was all done by myself. As a Willwood upgraded master cylinder for the brakes, as well as a Willwood master cylinder for the hydraulic clutch. Also upgraded the front brakes to Willwood disc brakes. Back is still drum. Still has the original front and rear axles. So this is a Tropical Sunset Orange Pearl American Racing rims. Original hood, new fenders, new doors. The original ones, as I said before, were fairly rusted. They were not in salvageable condition. All the glass had to be replaced. New interior, new running boards. This is the original heater. Had to get a new heater core. Installed a stereo, eliminated the old radio, moved the shifter from the column to the floor, went from a 3-speed to a 5-speed, mounted the pedals to the firewall, had to build a bracket system myself to do that, so eliminated the pedals going through the floor, new seat, new headliner, new steering wheel. This was a 53, so all the 53 F100s had a Ford anniversary badge. That all the 53 F100s had. I installed a tachometer, new gauges. I moved the fuel tank to back in the bed floor here. This is the oak flooring that was inlaid, new bed floor, as well as a new bed since the original bed was in horrible condition. New tailgate, original bumper from 53, new lights, put on new springs because the original ones were broken. Put the fuel tank back there in the back. The engine that I swapped. This is a blueprint Ford 302 small block. The flathead that came in this truck, unfortunately, needed to be rebuilt, as well as the transmission, which was not in great condition. I decided since I was going to upgrade the transmission, I would upgrade the engine as well too. The plan of this truck is to pass this down to one of my kids one day. I wanted to have a nice vehicle that they'd be able to enjoy as well. So this is the engine. This is the Willwood setup for the master cylinder for the brakes and for the clutch. Again, this has manual steering, so it has original gearbox, which was rebuilt. These engine mounts are an aftermarket part that were used to mount the engine in this. I had to go with an electric fan since there was no way that I was going to get a mechanical belt-driven fan here. Starts up nice. Ford F100 into the mostly factory category. This is a resto-mod. It has some original stuff, has some new stuff. For example, this gas tank, the engine, the transmission, some things to upgrade the truck to make it more drivable and safer, but trying to restore it to its, not concourse, but yet that old nostalgic type feel of these old pickup trucks. It was a really cool project to do. I get a lot of compliments from local car shows, talking to people who do this all the time. For me, this is just a hobby. Looking forward to being able to take it out, drive it some more once this quarantine stuff is over.